Hi everyone. Today is our last coding lesson for Google Sheets, and we're going to talk about cheating. So, last time we made our game, and you'll notice right now I'm clicked on one of my B column boxes, and I see my code right here at the top. So if I look there, I know that the answer is 82. Now, if you are sharing this game with someone in your house, you're going to be sitting next to them, so you can make sure they don't accidentally click on one of these boxes and see your number. But let's say you wanted to share your game with someone who's not living in your house, a friend or another family member. You want to make sure that there's no way they can accidentally see what your number is without them guessing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say in C, I want C to read whatever this is. And now if I drag that code, whatever's in B will also show up in C. So let's test that. 13. See how B says too low, and then C also says too low, and then 99, too high, and 82. Correct and correct. I'll have to go back and redo my color coding and see, but I could always do that at the end. All right. So the next step is we need to hide column B because column B is the one that has all of our code in it with our mystery number. Column C doesn't have our mystery number, so it's okay if column C is still there. So before I hide column B, I'm going to do something to make sure that no one can unlock it. So from B, I'm going to press this little arrow, and I'm going to go down to Protect Range. And what this does, if I press the Set Permissions button, this says only I can edit column B, no one else. I'm going to press Done. And now you see how it has this little lock next to it? And right here it says which column it is, column B. Now, I'm going to press that arrow again, and I'm going to hide the column. So now, if I sent this game, this is what people would see. And if they accidentally clicked in column C, they wouldn't see anything about my mystery number in the code. So they would have to do all their guessing. So I'm going to show you what it would look like if I sent this to somebody. So they clicked on the link. Oops. I need to get the link. So right now, anyone with the link can edit. So I'm going to copy that link. And I'm going to go to a new tab where I'm not signed in. So now, if I click on any of these boxes as a guest who's taking the guesses, I can't see anything about the code. And let's say I really wanted to cheat. If I click these arrows, normally that would unhide column B, but when I click on it, it says there's a problem, and that's because we protected column B so that only the owner could edit it. So since I'm just the person trying to take the guesses, I won't be able to unlock that. And so I will have to do the guessing on my own. Just like you normally would. Okay, so now you know how to make a guess your number game, and you know how to secure your game so that you can send it to anyone and have them play it. I hope you have a lot of fun, and I hope you figure out ways to stump your family. Bye.